This is my beak and this is my wings. When I fly, I whistle, whistle, whistle. Now all you guys do the whistle, whistle, whistle. I am a little frog, short and stout. This is my nose and this is my tongue. When I jump, I croak, croak, croak. Now all you guys do the croak, croak, croak. I am a little snake, short and stout. This is my face and this is my tail. When I move, I slither, slither, slither. Now all you guys do the slither, slither, slither. I am a little worm,